Welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today I'm going to show you how to speed claim BONK, FLOKI and PEPE. Get started by signing up to these 3 websites using your C-Wallet email. Next, log into all 3 sites at the same time and keep them open in separate windows. Okay, now go back to your Earn PEPE window and select Faucet on the dashboard. Solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen and collect your reward. When you're done, click on the FLOKI tab and solve the Faucet CAPTCHA on that site as well. Now instantly click on the Earn BONK window and do the same thing. Now quickly go back to Earn PEPE and claim again. Do this repeatedly until you have made at least 100 claims. When you're done, you can cash out to your C-Wallet. Select Withdraw from your dashboard, select the coin you want to withdraw and cash out. I am going to select PEPE. Go back to Earn BONK and withdraw the same way. Do the same thing for FLOKI. When you're done cashing out all your coins, go to your C-Wallet account to make sure your withdrawals have been deposited. As you can see, my coins have been instantly credited to my account. If you don't have a C-Wallet, you can get one by clicking on the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.